Good morning, class.
Good morning.
All right, so today we are going to be differentiating between qualitative and quantitative observations. So repeat after me. Today I will.
Today I will.
Differentiate. Qualitative and quantitative.
Qualitative and quantitative.
Observations. Awesome job, guys. So, can anyone remind me what an observation is over the past few days that we've been learning? Megan?
It's things that you can like see or just that you look at and you know something about it.
Exactly, it's things that we can see, and especially we're going to use it in science class whenever we're doing experiments. So there's two different types of observations. The first one is qualitative. This involves using our senses. Can anybody remind me what a sense is? One of our 5 senses?
Smelling.
Smelling, exactly. Hearing. Seeing. Touching. And another one is tasting, which I'm sure all of you already knew. So what I want you guys to do is get all of these chocolate bars that I gave you guys, and I want you to take a few seconds to look at the to observe the chocolate bar and tell me what you see using a qualitative observation.
It's definitely hard.
It's hard? Okay, so feels hard. Anybody else have any? Megan? Oh.
It's brown.
All right.
It's gonna be brown.
So it looks brown. Alexis, you had something?
It's flat.
Flat. So it looks flat. Anybody else?
It tastes sweet.
Tastes sweet, exactly. So Candy made a good point. Even though it's still in a wrapper, we know that the chocolate bar itself tastes sweet. Does anybody else have anyone?
It smells sweet.
Smells sweet, exactly.
Good too.
Smells sweet. So these are all observations that we can use making our senses. So they're called qualitative observations. The next one we have is a quantitative observation. Quantitative observations are observations we make using tools that we measure with. Can anyone remind me of a tool that we measure with?
Measuring cup.
A measuring cup?
A ruler.
A ruler, exactly.
A scale.
A scale. Another one, well, you want to wrap a good one, is a ruler. So whenever we use a ruler, like we're going to be counting the numbers on the side. So one way that you can remember quantitative is that it looks and sounds a little bit like the word count, which we all know. So it almost sounds like quantitative, but we're not going to say it like that, we're going to say quantitative. So using your rulers, I want you guys to take your chocolate bars and measure the length of the chocolate bar. And I'm going to go around and help you guys out. I like how Joanna's starting at the 0 and not at the end of the ruler. Megan's doing a good job. I like how Alexis and Kanye are working together. Awesome job, guys. So, Kanye, can you tell me the width of your, or length of your chocolate bar?
6 inches.
6 inches. Good. And notice how she said inches. She didn't just put 6. Because if somebody puts 6, how are we going to know what it is? Is it 6 jumping jacks? Is it 6 miles? 6 centimeters? It's important that we put a unit so we understand what it is of 6. So I'm going to give a quick example or two, just so you guys can understand. So if I have a block, all right, so I have a rectangular prism here, and I said, it looks hard. Which one would that be? Megan?
That would be qualitative. Yeah.
Qualitative, exactly. And then if I said that this part right here was, let's see, I'll make that 4 centimeters. What is that?
Quantitative.
Quantitative, exactly, because we had a count. So I made a song for us to remember, and I'm going to sing it, and then you'll repeat after me. So, qualitative involves our senses, sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. Quantitative involves our tools and number and the units too. Now all together. Qualitative involves our senses, sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. Quantitative involves our tools and number and the units minutes too. Awesome job. I'm so glad everybody participated. So next we're going to move on to our next section.